Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Today we have an aromatic, flavor-packed recipe Claypot Chicken Rice. We upload new videos every Saturday. For awesome recipes every week, kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications. For the ingredients, please check the description section. For this earthy and aromatic recipe, first I'll prepare the marination for the chicken. In a bowl, I'll be adding a little amount of salt. Then in goes pepper powder, followed by dark soya sauce, then a good amount of oyster sauce. Usually, Shaoxing wine is used in this recipe. If you are not able to get hold of these ingredients, it can be very well substituted using apple cider vinegar. I am using apple cider vinegar in today's recipe. Then I'll chop the green onion, slice ginger, and chop garlic as fine as possible. Then I'll include all this in the bowl in which I prepared the marination. Give it a mix and combine it with chicken. I am using thigh pieces along with the bone. For authentic taste, I'll be drizzling the chicken which is marinated with a good amount of sesame oil. Rub the chicken pieces thoroughly and allow it to stand for at least half an hour. In another bowl, I'll be washing and soaking the rice. I am using white jasmine rice. I would like to include Shitake mushroom in today's recipe. I have washed the mushrooms thoroughly. Since the stem is very tough, let me chop it out. And slice the mushrooms. For preparing today's dish, I'll be using a clay pot. To start the process of cooking, first I would like to saute the mushrooms. So I'll drizzle little amount of oil in a wok. Add the sliced mushrooms. And saute it till they are nice brown in color. So let's get cooking. I have transferred the rice in the clay pot. I'll start cooking it on a low flame till the rice soaks up the water. Then I'll top it up with the marinated chicken. As the chicken cooks, all the juices from the chicken seeps into the rice and makes it really flavorful. The left out marinade goes over the top of the chicken. The lid goes on and it is the time to cook this dish on the lowest possible flame. After half an hour, the rice has soaked up almost all the water. So I'll be placing the sauteed mushrooms until the rice soaks up the rest of the water and I get a nice crust at the bottom. I'll be cooking the dish. Meanwhile, let us get preparing the sauce. I'll be adding a little amount of soya sauce, salt, pepper powder and oyster sauce in a bowl. Then I'll drizzle little amount of sesame oil. Mix all these ingredients. Then adjust the consistency with water. And for a bit of crunch, I'll be adding green onion. And the sauce is ready. So the rice has been cooked and the dish is ready for serving. I will allow it to rest for 15 minutes before serving. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please write your comments regarding the recipe and don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.